Not sure what price to set for your book on Amazon KDP? Let's talk through a few simple ways to choose a price that makes sense, even if this is your first book. Once you are on the rights and pricing page, you will be asked to enter your list price. For most creators, somewhere between $6.99 and $12.99 is common for paperbacks, depending on the book's type and size. Here's what I consider. 1. Printing cost. KDP shows you the printing cost so you can make sure your price covers it and still gives you a royalty. Smaller books with black and white interiors usually cost less to print, which means more potential profit. Second, royalty rate. KDP pays 60% of the list price minus printing cost. So if I set my price at $11 and the print cost is $2.32, I will earn about $4.28 per sale. Third, value perception. A higher price can sometimes make your book feel more premium, especially for activity books, planners, or niche word search books. Lastly, pricing psychology. Numbers like 9.99 or 11.99 tend to feel cleaner or more appealing than random prices like $10.43. And of course, you can always come back and adjust the prices later. It's really not permanent. Just a quick tip, I usually preview how my price affects other marketplaces too, and round those numbers up or down to keep them tidy. If you're still working on your cover or interior, I will link the tool I use down below. It made formatting way easier for me. The tool I'm referring to is called BookBolt. It is an all-in-one platform for designing your covers and interiors, finding good keywords, and researching profitable niches. They even offer a 3-day free trial with no credit card needed, so you can test everything out first. The research tools are especially helpful. You can see what types of books are actually selling, get keyword ideas, and find underserved niches, which makes your book way more likely to stand out. And inside a BookBolt Studio, you will get drag and drop design tools, pre-made interiors, and tons of fonts and graphics. Everything is royalty free and made for publishing. And if you're planning to make puzzle books like word searches or mazes, this part is super underrated. You can literally generate puzzle pages in one click and customize everything. I'll link it down below so you can check it out. Honestly, BookBolt saves me hours of work, especially when I'm publishing books consistently. So if you're just getting started, it's definitely worth trying.